This is day 15 on our budget bungalow build. This morning we have managed to finish the whole column 4 in which we have done 2 this morning. Makes it complete for the whole 10 columns to be already poured. So you can see around that you cannot see any more scaffolds. What you can see now that we're trying to level the floor ready for our flooring. So you can see in that side it's the deeper side, so we will just put more rocks on it like you can see now to level it all up for the flooring. And another thing that we have to do, if you see the line of the string up here, that will be the roof line. So that's the roof line that we have to follow when we put the roof. So you can see from the window, there will be 2 more files of hollow blocks. Then we'll put back the lintel header, which will be the head lintel for the door, windows, 2 doors and windows. But because the center column will just have its own lintel when we put the doors for the rooms. So we were hoping that we can pour this floor on Saturday. So tomorrow we will be all busy accumulating the materials ready for pouring. Although we already have all the rebars needed, but we just need more gravel and sand. So I believe that we need 5 more gravels and 4 more gravels, I think, and 5 more sand, because we have enough sand left over from the filing that we have done. And so this is day 15. Day 64, the total was 69,429. So this is day 15. What we have is only poured 2 columns, and the rest is just labor, leveling up the floor and taking out the scaffold that you have seen all around here. So it's mostly labor and accumulation of all the materials needed for the flooring, in which Tatay Lito and Daloy will be doing, taking it up from the rivers. And also we will just be adding more cement on the day that we're gonna pour, because as you can see, our weather is not favorable as of the moment. It's gray. We might have rain, so we try to protect the cement. So you can see we got some big rocks that's been taken from the side of the house of the old couple. That will bring up to the floor level. You know the hollow block that you can see in the middle, that's the floor height. So we will be having 3 inches down is where our filling is, and then we put the rebars on top. Then we pour the flooring. So basically this is a very solid ground we are building the house with, which is a very good foundation for our house, really. The only problem is in this side. That's why we're putting the big boulders out there to make sure it's level up to everything else. So those are the big boulders out there to make sure it will level out to everything here. But the instruction of Old Man Tony is to have 3 inches down from the level of the hollow block. And so that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to do this side first. And so you can see this side is already filled up, most of it, and then you will gradually do this side bit here. Now we will be putting the toilet on that corner there. And so there's a mango tree that used to be behind there. It was cut off this morning, because what will happen is there will be 2 steps down here. That will be the side of the septic tank, and also that will be cemented level up, so Nanay Pipi won't have a hard time cooking her food here. And we will just level up anything that we can level up, so it will be easier for her to walk around. So this is it. day 15, we will be doing the flooring. Once we done the flooring, you will see that how fast it's gonna be when we do filing and then doing the lentils all around. There. So you can see how we poured it inside, where we use most of the plyboard, whereas the outside we use the corrugated sheets, the old ones. And so it still be useful because we're gonna be chipping it off when we render the outside. So it's quite a fair size house, to be honest. It's better than the bungalows that you can buy in ready-made subdivisions. I know for sure because the ready-made subdivision is quite small. And agay kadaghang rumigas. Oh, excuse me. There's so many red ants. This is what day 15 will show you. The bungalow is now ready, getting ready for its flooring. So this is the front door, and I'll be cementing a path here so it'd be easier for Nanay Pipi to go up from her house so she won't trip over on the front. Just a flat area. So what we're using here are all the rocks and boulders found in the old house of the old couple that the bungalow will be given to. So at least we don't have to buy those boulders. It's all around here already. Okay. So from outside, this is what you can see. So that's that they're gonna be chipping that one when they render the walls. And from here, this is where the location of the old mango tree. But this mango tree will be dug up because that will be the back door. The back door will have 2 steps down. And this is the area where we're gonna dig the septic tank. And then on top of the septic tank will be her cooking area. So there'll be another window on this side here, overlooking. And this is the doorway. So basically it's a very fair size house. There, this is from the view from here, this side. So that's Fredo. So you can see the finishing that's done for the inside of each column. It's quite smooth for what it is, but it just needs a little bit more rendering. But basically it holds those blocks together, connected to the beams down there. Then we will continue on 2 files up, then the lentils. I think you can see the string from here. That's the roof line. But because we don't have a favorable weather today, it's quite grayish. So it's better for the digging as well. So after a disappointing breakfast for my husband, and he got his pasta baked for lunch, I gotta have to give him something better for dinner. So he's having chicken kebabs that I'm grilling here. All chicken breasts marinated in lemon sauce, pepper and salt, and egg fried rice. Then I'll be putting some lemon sauce on the chicken when I serve this. So this is my version of the egg fried rice. And just slow down the fire to have it all the same time finish as the chicken kebabs that's right over here. I'll be putting some lemon sauce, sweetened lemon sauce over it. And it's all brown and cooked because he likes it overcooked. Or they call it well done. Then he'll be happy. So this is our dinner for tonight. Day 3 of our lockdown. Egg fried rice, chicken kebabs, chicken breasts marinated in lemon sauce and black salt and pepper. And then I well done on the grill, electric grill, so it make it faster. And then I put some sweetened calamansi juice to make it more flavorful, and a little bit on the rice so you can see there's a sauce on it. A little bit sweetened calamansi juice, and that's it. He'll be happy. Won't be disappointed with his cereals this morning.